Let's talk plastic bins. These right here were something that we picked up offline, and we needed to upgrade our current totes, boxes, and bins that were falling apart in the attic for our holiday decorations. Now we're getting ready to put them away, and we are happy that we were able to pick up these sets online because they're exactly what we are looking for. As you can see, they stack really nicely. They're small, but large enough to hold a decent amount of decorations or items that you're trying to store away. The lid detaches by these left and right latches. Here's the lid. You can see it's a thicker plastic, as well as the bin itself is a thicker plastic. So it's going to be protected from the elements when you have it in your attic with the changes of weather. Now, once you do put the lid back on, clicks back into place. It is clear, so you can see what's inside there, and it makes organizing the totes a lot easier when it is away out in storage, so you know what's inside the totes themselves. The size of this bin is very easy to then get up into the attic on the stairs. And I needed to make sure that I found a bin that is small enough so that way I could push it up into the attic, but large enough to hold the decorations that my wife has to store away. So overall, we're really satisfied with this product, and we would recommend them for anybody looking to upgrade their storage in their life. Go out, grab these today. You won't be disappointed. Thanks again for watching, and good luck for your purchase.